Quick and healthy dinner ideas, easy meals for a busy life. Hey everyone! We all want to eat healthy, but after a long day, who has the time to cook complicated meals? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing 5 quick and healthy dinner ideas that are easy to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're short on time or just looking for simple meal inspiration, these dinners will help you stay on track with your health goals. Let's get started. First up, we have a Mediterranean-style salmon that takes just 10 minutes to make. Salmon is loaded with omega-3s and protein, making it a great choice for a quick, healthy meal. Simply season it with lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and oregano, then pan-sear it for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Serve it with a side of steamed veggies or quinoa, and you've got a restaurant-quality meal in no time. Next up, let's talk about one-pan meals, because who likes doing dishes? This chicken and veggie stir-fry is packed with lean protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. Simply sauté diced chicken breast with your favorite veggies, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, in a little sesame oil and garlic. Add low-sodium soy sauce or coconut aminos for flavor, and serve it over brown rice or cauliflower rice for a balanced meal. Okay, sometimes dinner needs to be super quick. That's where avocado and egg toast comes in. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast, top it with a fried or poached egg, and sprinkle on some chili flakes and sea salt. It's packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you full without weighing you down. Need extra protein? Add some smoked salmon or turkey slices on top. For a no-cook option, try this veggie-packed chickpea salad. Chickpeas are an excellent plant-based protein source and pair perfectly with cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and feta cheese. Drizzle it with a simple lemon olive oil dressing, and boom! Dinner is served in under 5 minutes. You can also add grilled chicken or canned tuna for extra protein. Last but not least, let's make a healthy turkey and spinach wrap. Grab a whole wheat or low-carb tortilla, spread a layer of hummus or Greek yogurt, and fill it with lean turkey slices, spinach, shredded carrots, and avocado. Roll it up, slice it in half, and enjoy a balanced, protein-packed meal in minutes. It's great for on the go too. There you have it. 5 quick and healthy dinner ideas that are easy, delicious, and perfect for busy days. Which one are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, do not forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs easy meal ideas, and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating, fitness, and self-improvement. See you next time.